domestic animal, dog. The dog is a domestic animal. It is a pet animal. Baby of dog is called a puppy. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, a nose, a mouth, and a curly tail. It has very sharp teeth. It is very faithful animal. It is meats, fish, rice, milk, and etc. It is found in different colors, black, white, and etc. It is barks on strangers. It has strong sense of smell. It is guarded house. It is friendly for human. We should take care of this faithful animal.